What's going on, everybody? This is a quick little update on gold and silver. We are into the end of the month. This is the second last day of monthly candle close. And if you look at the monthly candle, we are closing with a lot higher wick, okay, which often shows a signal of reversing. But in the previous month, we also had the same kind of candle, and in May also, and even in the April also. So it's nothing new for the gold to create big wicks and then continue moving higher, okay, but like we have this four consecutive candles closing with a big wick, so there could be a reversal. So we will see how, okay, but I think gold looks bearish in higher time frame. If you look at the higher time frame, you will still find the gold getting bearish, okay. This is the weekly candle. The last week closed with a strong wick to the upside, and this is a reversal candle, okay. So that's why we can see gold going down to 30 to 50, which I have been mentioning from a long time. Okay, so this is what I see. This can be a drawn liquidity for a bearish move, and that's where I want gold to turn bullish again, okay, in higher time frame, okay. And we also have this SMT with this low, okay. This low of 14 July's week has not been taken by silver yet, but gold has already taken. Okay, so we have this SMT also. Let me switch it into the 1 hour. In 1 hour, yesterday was a really very consolidation day. And how do you identify a consolidation is by looking at the daily candle. If you look at the yesterday's candle, it is a inside candle with a very small in the size, okay. That shows that it was a very consolidated day yesterday, okay. So what do we really see? I still see gold going to the downside from here. Yesterday we had a bullish momentum for a while, but it couldn't sustain its move to the upside. Okay, if you switch it into the 4 hourly time frame, uh, this is the 6 p.m. candle, first candle of the day, and we have SMT at this high. Okay, which can leads to a reversal because we have this 4 hour order block over here. This is a 4 hour order block, and also we have this fair value gap, but this fair value gap has so much consolidation, so uh, its effectiveness is not that high. But this 4 hour order block is somehow may react the price to go to the downside. And if you look at here, we have a lot of liquidity in the form of these weeks, okay. So for now I just want all of this liquidity points to be taken out very soon, and from after taking out this liquidity pool, we can expect some move to the upside, okay. So this is a very easy target for the liquidity, and it looks bearish for me as of now, okay. In the 1 hour, if you look at in 1 hour, also, like if you look at here, this entire move was very consolidation, like it was a really tricky move. So yesterday was really not a good day to trade. I personally had a loss of a small loss of 0.5%. I tried to sell it around here, okay, 30 to 25, and then it moved really nice, but I couldn't book the profit. And then with this choppy move, I got stopped out. I eventually traded with very small lot size, and I had enough time to book the profit. So, but I missed it due to some work, okay. So it was a very small loss in gold, but now today this looks really promising because if you see here in today's price action, this is the Asian high which has been taken out by silver, okay, but not by gold, okay. So this was a very good sale from here, 33.27, and it is now around 40 pips to the downside, and your stop loss should have been on this invalidation at around 33.33, okay. And you should book the profit, partial profit around 33.21, because we have very choppy move, okay. It is continuously uh, making okay, this lower high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this kind of choppy conditions are not really favorable for us to trade. So that's why it's very important to take the profit. And I think we should generally avoid trading these conditions until and unless we are not looking for a breakout. If we get a breakout, then it will be good. This is a really consolidation zone. All we can do is trade small and do the profit booking a little early. than usual, and then let the price do what it wants. Okay, so this is what I see. We have this SMT, and I have mentioned about this order block, or you can also say it is a proportional block. Okay, and this liquidity pools around 3307 is what I want, what I expect to reach. Okay, so overall I have a bearish bias. Okay, but let's see, this is a really choppy condition for us for now, so I do not look it as a high probable condition. So every setup which is forming here, it is low probability, so you should trade with small quantity. Okay, and that's what I see. This entire formation is looks like a bear flag. Okay, this is a bear flag. Okay, and any break of this bear flag below 3320 should leads to 3301. Okay, it is as simple with this structure. So this is what I see. Thank you and have a nice day.